Hey, ever felt like you're always one step behind? Like you're missing the secret to success? Well, guess what? That feeling might just be your hidden advantage. I used to stress about not having it all figured out, always comparing myself to others. But when I embraced my journey, things took a wild turn. Self acceptance, my friends, that's the real magic. Here's the crazy part. I posted just 2 videos on TikTok. The second one blew up with over 3 million views. And get this, I made $25,000 from that launch. It's mind blowing. Focus on your passion and you'll see the magic happen. I've faced so many obstacles, losing jobs, financial setbacks, you name it, but each challenge was a lesson in disguise. I learned to navigate through the storms, and that resilience paid off big time. Embrace your quirks, those little things that make you, you. When I stopped pretending and started living authentically, doors opened. It's tough, especially when everyone expects you to fit a mold. But believe me, it's worth it. If my story resonated with you, hit that follow button for more insights on leveraging your unique journey. Remember, your journey is your strength. Let's grow together and turn our stories into success.